Hello students, I am your maths teacher Samanto. Hope you are all well and safe at your home. Dear students, I hope you have understood what is volume and what is the formula to find the volume of cuboid and cube. Okay, so let's start today's lesson. Okay, so read question number 8. Find the volume of rectangular solid. Okay, rectangular solid, that means it is a cuboid whose dimensions are as follows. So first, what is given? Length. So write here length is equal to 10 whole 1 by 2 meter. Okay, so convert this into improper fraction. So what it will be? 21 by 2 meter. Next, what is given? Breadth. Breadth is equal to 4.2 meter and thickness 70 semi. Just see here meter, but here centimeter. So you have to convert this centimeter into meter. Okay, so that means you have to write all the dimensions as units are same. So we will just convert the centimeter into meter. So that means it will be 70 by 100 meter. Cut it. So it will be 7 by 10 meter. Right. Therefore, volume is equal to what? Length into breadth into height. Height means the here thickness. Okay. So write here 21 by 2 meter into 4.2 meter into 7 by 10 meter. So we can write in this way 21 by 2 into 4.2. We can remove this decimal point and we will write here on the denominator 10. So here one decimal place, so divide on the denominator, okay, by 10 into 7 by 10 and meter cube. So it will be what? Just cut it. 0 here 21. Can you cut more? No. Okay. So when you do the product, what it will be? 21, it will be 441 and then multiply with 7. So it will be 3087. And here 10 into 10, 100. That means 30.87 meter cube. This will be the volume. I hope you have understood it. Question number 9. Read the question carefully. Calculate the volume of air in a 6-room house. You have to find the volume of air in 6-room house. Okay, so conditions given: if height of each room is 3 meter and the length and width of the room in meters given of the table. Okay, so dear students, just see here room A, room B, room C, room D, E, F. Here lengths given, here breadth given, all are in meter. Here this is given in meter, this is given in meter, and height of each room. So here write height. So you draw this table only. Okay, and here write height in meter. So all 3 here, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 and 3. Is it clear? And draw another table and write here volume. So we will find the volume of, so unit will be what? Meter cube. So volume of air, that means you have to find the volume of the room. That means the air inside the room, that means you have to find the volume of the room, that will be the volume of air. So room, just imagine it's like a cuboid. So here length given, width given, height given. So what will be the volume? You have to multiply. So here 10, 6, 60, 60 and 3. Here 60 and 3. Do the multiplication. Okay, so 180 meter cube. Next it what? 4, 4, 16, 16, 3, 48. Is it clear? Now just see 6 and 5, 30, 30 and 3, 90. That means you have to multiply these numbers. Okay, so similarly you just do this multiplication. Right here 72. So here do this multiplication of 8, 4 and 3. So it will be 96. Here 4 and 3, 12 and 3, 36. So all will be the volume of, this is the volume of the rooms. Here room A, room B, room C, room D, room E, room F. So volume of the air in the house, that means of this total 6 room. So just do this addition. So it will be 522. Write the answer statement. Therefore the volume of the air in the house is, it will be 522 meter cube. I hope you have understood it properly. So first find the volume of each room, then just do the addition, then you will get the volume of air in the house. Question number 10. Which of these cuboids could be built using 1 centimeter cubes? Okay, just see dear students, here a 6 cuboids given, then dimensions given. You have to find that among them, okay, which cuboids could be built using 81 centimeter cube. That means whose volume will be equal with this. So volume of 81 centimeters cube is equal to what? 1 centimeter cube. So age are 1. Okay, so a cube whose age 1, that volume is 1 semi cube. So 81 centimeter cubes is equal to 80 semi cube. That means from this you have to find whose and which cuboids having volume 80 semi cube. Just see here, A 6 5 4. If you multiply, what you will get? This volume, what you will get? 30 and 4, 120 semi cube. Okay, so like this, just find the volume. So the volumes are here given. Among them, where is 80? Here is 80 and here is 80. So the cuboid B and cuboid F. So what will be the answer? Cuboid B and cuboid F could be built using 81 centimeter cubes. So keep in your mind, then when you make with the cube, the volume of 81 centimeter cube will be equal to the volume of the cuboid. So write the answer statement. Cuboid B and F could be built using 81 centimeter cubes. Question number 11. Write the length, breadth and height of 6 cuboids that can be made from 36 1 centimeter cubes. Just see here, same question. Here you have to made using 36 1 centimeter cubes. So what will be the volume? What will be the total volume of the cuboid? 36 1 centimeter cube, and you know 1 centimeter cube's volume is equal to what? 1 semi cube. So 36 1 centimeter cube's volume, it will be 36 semi cube. Is it clear? So you have to find 6 cuboids whose volume is 36. Is it clear? I repeat it again, whose volume is 36, because here you have to use this 36 1 centimeter cube. Okay, and this volume of the cube will be equal with the volume of the cuboid. Okay, so write this table. So the volume will be what? All 36. So 36, 36, 36, 36, 36 and 36. So you have to take 3 numbers whose product is 36. Is it clear? So you have to write here 3 numbers, length, breadth and height, whose product, length into breadth into height is equal to volume, and whose product is 36. So if we take 36 in length, so if you take breadth 1 and height 1, will you get 36? Yes. Okay, so a cuboid whose length 36 semi, breadth 1 semi, height 1 semi, their volume will be 36 semi cube. Then this cuboid can be made from 36 1 centimeter cube. Okay, that means from using small cubes you have to make a large cuboid. Is it clear? Question number 10 and question number 11 quite same. Okay, here using small cubes you have to make a large cuboid. Like this, here you have 36 cubes whose age 1 centimeter. Okay, among them, okay, so 36 cubes you have to use to make a cuboid whose length are this. So other, you can think in this way. You can take 18, 2 and 1. Just see 36 into 1, 36. That means a cuboid whose length 18 semi, breadth 2 semi, height 1 semi, volume 36. You can take this 12 into 3 into 1, 36 into 1. Okay, or you can take 6 into 6 into 1, or you can take 6 into 3 into 2, or you can take 4 into 3 into 3. Just see here the multiplication, the product here 36, product 36, product 36. Is it clear? Like this. Just see here in your book. That means you have to make like this. Here just see, here some small cubes, here some small cubes, and using this small cube, here this is large cube. Okay, similarly here using 36 1 semi cubes, you have to make cuboid, and you will get these types of 6 cuboids. I hope you have understood it. Question number 13. Volume of cuboid is 1/4 cu meter. Cu mean cubic meter. What is its volume in cu semi? That means cubic centimeter. This means what? Meter cube. So you have to change into centimeter cube. Is it clear? So write it. Volume of cuboid. So 1/4 cubic meter. That means 1/4. You know cubic meter means what? Meter cube. Now we'll convert the meter cube. That means 3 times meter, meter into meter into meter, and 1 meter, that means 100 centimeter. Again 1 meter, that means 100 centimeter. Again 1 meter, that means 100 centimeter. Can you write it not? That means here this means 1/4 into meter cube, meter into meter into meter. That's why for this meter 100 centimeter. Okay, for this 100 centimeter, for this 100 centimeter. Now just cut it 25. So 25 and 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 40 and semi cube, or you can write cubic semi. Therefore write the answer statement. Its volume is. So this is the answer statement. I hope you have understood and enjoyed today's class. Practice this. Thank you and have a nice day.